Here is a challenge test question on permutation and combination. There are 10 seats in a row in a hospital waiting room. 6 people are waiting, in which there is a family of 3. All members of the family want to sit together. In how many different ways can the group be seated? I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to our new series. So now let us see, how do we solve this question in simple steps. So what we are given here is there are 10 seats available to us. So let me just sketch these: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seats in a hospital waiting room. 6 persons are waiting, in which there is a family of 3. So we have 6 persons. Let's say 6 persons are A, B, C, D, right? So A, B, C. And there are a family of 3. Let's call this X, Y, Z. So let's say these 6 persons are waiting to be seated on these 10 available seats. Now there is one constraint, and that is that all members of a family want to sit together. So let's say they want to sit together. That is the constraint. So how do we solve this type of equation? So, of course, if 3 people are sitting together, in that case, out of 10, we have already taken up 3 seats, 7 are left. So that means we can also think about that these 3 people can take any 7 seats, right? So for person A, let us say, we have 7 seats available. For person B, we have 6 seats available, and then for person C, there are 5 seats available. So that is okay for the 3, which could sit anywhere. Now, for the group of 3 people, what could be possible chances? So, as a group, they could sit here, then the 3 will be taken. They have a choice to begin from that place: second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. They can also sit here. See, so they have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 available spots. You see that? So this group can sit in 8 available spots. They cannot sit here since the third person cannot be seated. Perfect. So for this group, we have 8 spots. Now, that is perfectly fine. So for each position of this group, the other 3 could have 7 times 6 times 5. Now, there is one more thing in it, that they could eternally also change their position, right? So it could be XYZ, XZY, or YXZ, YZX, or ZXY, ZYX. So 6 combinations within themselves, which is 3 factorial, I can say in short. So these are total number of possible ways in which these 6 people can be seated, with a constraint that the family is together. I hope it makes sense. So now it's a matter of calculating. So let's calculate the values. So we have 8 times 3 factorial. So I'll write 3 factorial as 3 times 2, right? So that is 3 factorial times 765, right? 7, 6, and 5. And let us calculate this value using a calculator. Right, so we have 8 times 3 times 2 times 7 times 6 times 5. What do we get? We get 10080. 10080. So these are 10,080 choices for all of them to be seated in this waiting area. So I hope this solution is absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comment, share your views, to like and subscribe to my videos. That would be great. Also remember, our new book is coming, Crack the Numbers for STEM Leaders. Keep in touch to get a free copy of this book.